I already like the title, Through Habit, because that's basically what rules our lives, our habits, how we do our day-to-day tasks and routines. Pretty much, we are a creature of habit. Burrito from Green Bar. Tuna sila.
Yeah, we started on Earth Day, April 22.
How long have you been vegan naman?
I've been vegan for magsi 3 years na.
3 years! Bongga, no? 3 years? But you have your vegan store. Can you give us a tour?
Yes, for sure.
Mga kombucha, this is my favorite drink, by the way.
Oh, yeah?
My husband can, actually...
So, this section is more of for seasoning, spices, spreads, superfood powder.
Tsaka nakita nyo parang nasa napa lang tayo. Kaya lang instead of wine, we have kombucha tasty.
Yes, we have tempeh and meat alternatives, ice cream, frozen products. We also offer non-food items, clothes and accessories, home decor, personal care products.
Vegan doesn't mean just food, no? You can extend to other personal care products.
Yes, that's right.
Any products that people use.
We have plants here, plant section. So,
Sa mga plantitas.
yes, sa mga plantitas. Hopefully, 2 months from now or sooner, we get to open a cafe as well that offers plant-based food and plant-based drinks. We have a little nook here, so it's an open library. You can get any book for free and you can take it home. And then if you have a book in hand that you want then to put in the open library, you can do that then. So everything is for free dun sa library natin.
Okay. Paborito ko yung diary mo yung picture. Ang regalo. No, it's nice because, you know, the kids, they need to get off their electronics sometimes.
Right. Gusto namin welcoming siya. Yung feeling.
Yeah, so ibig sabihin, hindi lang vegans.
Oh, hindi lang din vegan.
Mga vegans, mga napapadaan. Why don't you invite them, to check it out?
I hope you could drop by our store through Habit at 745 Aurora Boulevard here in New Manila, Quezon City. But you can also pin us in Waze and or Google Maps through Habit. We have a lot of parking space for free. So if you want to chill here, grab a coffee, buy your grocery stuff, and
Read a book.
Read a book. We're very open.